Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm also good. Where are you from? Are you from UK?
Oh, I'm from Arizona.
Arizona. Okay, okay. You mean United States, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're looking so beautiful with these glasses. Wow, you have nice glasses.
Um, yeah.
Can you stop the music? I cannot hear you very clear. How was your day? How you spent today?
How I spend my day?
Yeah.
I come on video and I bake cookies so I could feed my child at the end of the month.
Can you
This is
stop?
like my walking shift. It's a walking shift. Yeah.
Hey, what's your name?
Miss T.
Miss T.
Miss T. Yeah.
You mean T? T.
T. Yeah. T.
Okay, T. Okay. I like tea. I like tea.
You do?
Okay. I drink tea 5 times a day. You are drinking tea right now?
Yeah.
Can you show me your teapot? Wow, এতগুলো চা খান আপনি?
Mellows.
মেলোস যে কি আবার আমি চিনি না। Is it hot or cold?
Cool.
Cold. Okay. ঠান্ডা আবার চা হয়?
I like my coffee black
Oh, flat.
with a lot of sugar and cream. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How many times you drink coffee in a day?
Depends. It depends. If I wake up like 5 o'clock in the morning, I would have about 6 cups of coffee.
6 cup. 6 cup.
Oh yeah, 6 cups. Yeah.
Oh,
If I wake up about this time, I would probably only have 2.
do you drink coffee before your dinner?
Yeah, with breakfast.
You take coffee with your breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you take coffee with your dinner?
No,
You love tattoo?
your language is really strong.
My language is very strong
Yeah.
because I'm new at English.
Okay.
You love tattoo? Tattoo. You love
I
tattoo?
love tattoos. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, can you show me your tattoo? Can you show me? Oh, nice. Oh, is it leaf? Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So sweet. Butterfly. Misty mean Roshogolla. Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
Oh, that's so sweet. What country is it?
Bangladesh.
And it's sweet.
Yeah.